Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura We8. I came into the shop because when dispensing for milk drinks, it wasn't coming out of the right spout. When you're using a milk drink, when you're making a milk drink like a cappuccino, for example, the coffee should actually come out of this spout and then with the milk, so you don't have to move your cup over. And before it was just coming out of the main spout right here. That's controlled by a pinch valve. There's a little silicone tube that goes to each of these spouts, and then there's a valve that when in one position it pinches one, leaves the other open, and then vice versa in the other position. That's controlled by this actuator. In this case, this actuator failed and wasn't able to produce enough force to change the position, so we swapped it out for a new one, and that solved the issue. Additionally, we saw that the brew unit was really dirty, so we ended up doing a tune-up of the machine. So we took out the brew unit, we cleaned it out, replaced some gaskets, and then we did a cleaning cycle and a descaling cycle, along with cleaning the milk system. Here's the old gasket for the brew group, and there's another smaller gasket that I noticed was broken in here, and there was also some evidence around that area in the brew group of like some leakage, so I ended up replacing that gasket as well. After this, this machine should be performing pretty well. So to start, I'm just going to do a regular espresso just to show its basic functions. There you have it. And then, once it resets, we're going to do a milk drink. We're going to do a cappuccino. For sanitary reasons, I've just put water in here because this is really just an issue with flow, not with the actual milk steaming itself. So it's just going to be water, and you see that water coming here, and it starts to drain from the vessel here, like that. So really it's going to be kind of like an Americano. And there you have it. Now we have coffee coming out of this spout into the cup and none coming out of here. So that's about it for this repair. If you liked the video, please like and or subscribe. Thank you for watching.